Sound engineer, Jay, alone in the studio. He fine-tunes the vintage mic and commenced the session. The red light flashed, and the painful static blast instantly made Jay rip off his headphones. Static ceases. The charged air gives Jay goosebumps, while the microphone glows sickly cyan. A static shock makes Jay recoil screaming from the mic stand, where black energy forms a pulsing sphere. The reflection shows a looming skeletal static figure. Jay screams, scrambling back and tripping. Spinning, Jay finds the booth empty, reflection vanished, and stares frantically at the glowing mic. The black sphere explodes silently, slamming Jay off his stool with dark, crackling energy, leaving him pale with shock. The door handle instantly disintegrates when Jay touches it, leaving a void. He recoils with a slight burn. Frozen at the door, Jay meets the solid static figure's cold, fixed cyan eyes as it flickers into the dark corner. Jay throws the heavy stool. The figure instantly distorts into a glitch static wave covering half the room. The stool tears through the static body with a crackle. The figure instantly glides closer to Jay. A touch from the figure's skeletal hand brings absolute, paralyzing silence, causing Jay to collapse. He's screen-trapped. The static figure drops a black object onto the paralyzed Jay. It instantly absorbs the surrounding light, darkening the booth. The black object rapidly expands. The collector consumes all hosts. Static remains. The engineer is gone. It's now the studio's signal awaiting the next prey.